moving on to exercise questions. Okay, if x and y are connected parametrically by the equations given in exercises 1 to 10 without eliminating the parameter, find dy by dx. அப்படினா அர்த்தம் parameter eliminate பண்ணாம your final answer should be in terms of the parameter. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல t இருக்குனா your dy by dx should be in terms of t. correct? So the parameter here is t, so I'm going to differentiate with respect to d by dt. So what will I have? X is equal to 2at square. So d by dt of x is going to be d by dt of 2at square. 2a is a constant. d by dt of t square is going to be 2t. So I have 4at. So this is my dx divided by dt. அதே மாதிரி y க்கு என்ன இருக்கு? at to the power 4. So d by dt of y equals d by dt of at to the power 4. So I have dy by dt equals a is a constant. T power 4 differentiate panna, I'll have 4t cube. So this is going to be 4at cube. இப்போ dy by dt தெரியும், dx by dt தெரியும். I need my dy by dx, which is going to be dy divided by dt, the whole divided by dx divided by dt. Okay, please watch my previous videos. You'll understand it more clearly. So dy by dt enna, it is going to be 4at cube divided by dx by dt is 4at. So what happens when I cancel the common terms? 4a and the 4a will get cancelled. T cube by t is going to be t square. So what is my final answer? dy by dx equals t square. So my final answer is in terms of t, the parameter that is common for both x and y. Okay, please copy. Question number 2. So in the இடத்துல x and y are connected through theta. So what is my parameter here? Theta. So I need to differentiate it with respect to d by d theta. Okay, now x is equal to a cos theta. d by d theta of x is equal to d by d theta of a cos theta. So dx by d theta is equal to a is a constant. Cos theta or derivative is minus sin theta. So I'll have minus a sin theta to be my dx by d theta. Now what is my y? Y is going to be b cos theta. d by d theta of y equals d by d theta of b cos theta. b is a constant, so I'm going to take b outside the d by d theta. Again cos theta or derivative enna? Minus sin theta. So I'll have minus b sin theta. Now I need to find, this is my dy by d theta. But dy by dx enna? dy by dx is going to be dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. dy by d theta is minus b sin theta divided by minus a sin theta. Minus minus cancel idom, sin theta cancel idom. So I'll be left with b divided by a. So this is my final answer. dy by dx equals b divided by a. Please copy. Third question. The parameter here is t. So my variable of differentiation is going to be d by dt. Okay. So x is equal to sin t, d by dt of x equals d by dt of sin t. So in that dx by dt, the variable is t, adnala x further differentiate panna mudiyadhu. d by dt of sin is going to be cos t. So this is my dx by dt. So y equals cos 2t, d by dt of y equals d by dt of cos 2t, dy by dt equals d by dt of cos theta is going to be sin theta, sin 2t, but I need to further do d by dt of 2t. correct? In that verum t kadayadu. I have a 2t. Remember, so you need to differentiate that also. So in that d by dt of 2t is going to be simply 2. So this is going to be simply 2. So I have 2 sin 2t. Okay. So if the further panna dy by dx equals dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt enna? 2 sin 2t divided by cos t. Sin 2t can also be written as 2 அப்படியே இருக்கும். Sin 2t can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. correct? So 2 sin t cos t divided by cos t. So in the cos t and the cos t will get cancelled. So I'll be left with 4 sin t. So this is my dy by dx. The parameter is not lost. My final answer is in terms of t. Okay, please copy. Please remember cos theta or derivative is minus sin 2t. So this is going to be minus 2 sin t. So in that the minus comes out. Final answer is minus 4 sin t. Okay. Question number 4. My parameter is t, so I need to differentiate with respect to t. So x is equal to 4t, d by dt of x equals d by dt of 4t, dx by dt equals 4 is a constant, d by dt of t is going to be 1. So this is simply 4. Y equals 4 divided by t, which can also be written as 4t to the minus 1. Correct? Now d by dt of y equals d by dt of 4t to the minus 1. dy by dt is 4 is a constant. T to the power minus 1 order derivative when minus 1 comes down, t to the power will get reduced by minus 1. So what will this be? Minus 4 t to the power minus 2, which is going to be minus 4 divided by t square. Correct? This is my dy by dt. Now what is my dy by dx? This is going to be dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So this is minus 4 divided by t square, the whole divided by 4 again. So this can be written as minus 4 divided by t square divided by 4. இந்த மாதிரி division வந்து பண்றது confusing இருக்குனா இந்த மாதிரி formula எழுதிக்கோங்க. It is very easy to solve. So minus 4 divided by t square, division becomes a multiplication, then the number becomes the reciprocal. So what will I be left with? 4 and the 4 will get cancelled. I'll be left with minus 1 divided by t square. So this is my dy by dx. Okay, my final answer is in terms of t, the parameter that is given in the question. Please copy. Question number 5. Parameter here is theta again. Correct? So d by d theta panno. D by d theta. So x is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta. So dx by d theta is going to be cos theta, or the derivative is going to be minus sin theta minus bracket போடுங்க. Whenever you have a minus, open the bracket. Otherwise you will not put the minus sign properly. Minus இல்லாம போச்சுனா ஆன்சரே மாறிடும். Now cos 2 theta ஓட derivative என்ன? Cos theta ஓட derivative is sin 2 theta, but you have 2 theta. 2 theta வை differentiate பண்ணா I'll be left with 2. Clear? d by d theta of cos 2 theta is going to be sin 2 theta, but I have 2 theta, so d by d theta of 2 theta, which is going to be 2 sin 2 theta. அதுதான் இங்க எழுதிருக்கேன். புரியுதா? That is what I have written here. Okay? இதுக்கு அப்புறமா you have to solve quickly. Derivatives எல்லாம் உட்கார்ந்து தடவிட்டு இருக்க கூடாது. Now this becomes minus, see I missed the minus. Cos theta derivative என்ன? Minus sin 2 theta. So what will I have? Minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. So this is my dx by d theta. இப்போ y என்ன? Y is going to be sin theta minus sin 2 theta. So dy by d theta is going to be sin theta derivative is cos theta minus sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta derivative என்ன? Cos 2 theta. 2 theta differentiate பண்ணா I'll be left with 2. So I have cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. இப்போ I need to find my dy by dx. So dy by dx is dy by d theta divided by dx divided by d theta. So I have cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta, the whole divided by minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. So this is my final answer. Okay, please copy.